Greetings to you all. Wherever you're hearing my voice, don't forget to subscribe. May God bless you. Yes, our brother will be Honorable Orji Uzor Kalu in Abia State. There's a rumor say that you have been sent by Northern to attack your brother in Nanya Eberibe in one way or the other. Please, my brother, sir, Orji Uzor Kalu, let us be our brother's keepers. Let us help one another. Don't tackle any in Nanya Eberibe. He is a good man. He is doing the right thing in eyes of everyone. He is not fighting for his own pocket. He is fighting for the peace and benefit of the masses, those who elected him in that position he are. He is not working above what he's supposed to be. Let us help each other, support each other. In northern side, they are doing things with one mind. In western land, they are also doing things with one mind. There's no crisis here and there. Why are we Igbos already betraying ourselves? In things, anything so-called money, there must be a betrayal on it. May God help us, make us to realize the qualities we have, and let us put it in action, so that things will be well for the less privileged. May God bless you all. Yes, our brother, Minister of Transport, Rivers State, being Rotimi Amaechi, Honorable Rotimi Amaechi, has insisted that the agreement reached to have Lekki Deep Sea project completed and open for commercial activity in second quarter of 2022 remains. Yes, we knew that you are into to develop Nigeria. Yes, but what is at hand now is at stake. Insecurity everywhere. Every day by day, there must be a problem. Kidnapping, killing, different kind of stories. Yes, we know that. You are fighting, normal, as usual, for development of our dear country. But insecurity is acting me bad now. Let them first fix the security system. Imagine, our former head of state, Absalom, confirmed in his own state that they are facing insecurity. Why can't Nigerian federal government to fix that insecurity in Nigeria? Last time, different stories, bandit here and there, kidnapping here and there, shooting here and there, but they cannot do anything. They cannot find the solution. Why they know the solution, they cannot stop it. We are facing serious insecurity in North. Ex-head of state, Absalom, raise alarm. Let federal know and find a way to stop this once and for all, or else they are using it for their political career. Because I know if they wanted this to stop, this can have stopped very long time. They show their talent by going outside Nigeria to go and kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of IPOB. But come out to settle insecurity in your own house, you cannot. Imagine the student girls, children, they adopt. This is their families, they are all crying. What a problem which federal government cannot solve. Why? And they knows the problem. but they don't want to solve it. Bethel Baptist Secondary School, Chikaruka government area of Kaduna, the gate was kidnapped 121. What have federal government done? Only thing they know is masterminds to go and kidnap someone who is in foreign country. They don't mind how much they will spend to capture the person, but the one that is under our nose, you cannot capture it. Let justice be balanced. The way things are going in Nigeria is like justice face one side, but we are shouting one Nigeria. We want one Nigeria, but the justice do not balance. How can one Nigeria we stand? Once justice stand, one Nigeria will work immediately. Let us look the truth. Why? Because we are not the truth. They know how to mastermind to go and catch Nnamdi Kanu, leader of IPOB, but they don't know how to go and catch the leader of bandit and handsome men. That to show that there is something. May God help Nigeria. What we are, not democracy. We are into democracy, not autocracy. Let the system of government change so that each department will know what and the rightful and the right time to do. May God help us and give us the person who will change the new face of Nigeria, if there will be a one Nigeria. May God help us. Yes, it happened again in Kenya. When Nigerians are dying, like what I cannot understand. 2 is done already. Other 3 or how many is unconscious. They have rushed to hospital to know if they can survive. According to the story, so 1 collapsed and died, and 1 also died in kitchen where he was preparing food for the guest or the party. What a tragedy! So painful. May God help them. And they said that they have already arrested 3 girls who they suspect for this tragedy that happened in Kenya between Nigerian boys in Kenya. Why every time Kenya? Kenya have got a bad name to Nigeria. Every little thing Kenya. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you. Let's watch this video and see to know what happened there.